Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of immersive 360-degree creativity with the Insta360 Ace Pro. Whether you're an adventurer, a vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing every angle of life, this camera is packed with features to take your content to the next level. From stunning 5.7K resolution to mind-blowing AI editing tools, it's got everything you need to create like a pro. Stick around as we explore what makes the Insta360 Ace Pro a game changer for creators everywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Capture your world like never before with the Insta360 Ace Pro, a powerhouse of innovation, offering immersive 360-degree video recording and professional-level features in a compact, user-friendly design. Engineered with precision, the Ace Pro is not just a camera, it's a tool for storytellers, creators, and adventurers. Its sleek and lightweight design ensures you can take it anywhere, whether you're vlogging, traveling, or exploring. Insta360 Ace Pro weighs 180 g and has external dimensions of 71.9 by 52.1 by 38.5 millimeters. Considering that the average weight of action camera-type cameras is 128 g, Insta360 Ace Pro is a significantly heavy camera for its class. With a thickness of 39 millimeters, it is not small either, 7 millimeters thicker than the average of its class. With 4K video resolution, the Insta360 Ace Pro captures every detail in stunning clarity. Its flow state stabilization ensures smooth and cinematic footage, even in the most dynamic environments. Day or night, the Ace Pro excels. Its HDR mode delivers vibrant colors and rich contrast, while the low light capabilities make every shot look professional. With Insta360 Ace Pro, you can record your videos at a highest resolution of 7680 by 4320 at 25p, 24p FPS, and save in H.264 and H.265 formats. This means that Insta360 Ace Pro provides an impressive 8K video, highest resolution that is available in the market today. This is a new technology that hasn't become mainstream like 4K yet, but still gives the user a lot of room for cropping or sampling down to 4K or lower if needed. Insta360 Ace Pro LCD. Insta360 Ace Pro has a fixed type 2.27-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 0K dots. At only 2.27-inch, the screen is on the smaller side and 0K DOT resolution is lower than most of the recent models in this class. LCD is touch screen type, so you can change the settings and set the focus point with your fingertips. For those of you who love shooting selfies, self or group photos, Insta360 Ace Pro will make your life easier with its selfie-friendly screen. Another group of users who will take advantage of Ace Pro's LCD screen are vloggers and any video creators who are working in a single-person setup. Ace Pro doesn't have a viewfinder and no option for external viewfinder. Lack of a viewfinder can be problematic, especially under strong light where visibility of LCD screens goes down dramatically. Need to share quickly? With built-in Wi-Fi and 360 live streaming, you can connect, create, and broadcast in real time, keeping your audience engaged. Insta360 Ace Pro features built-in wireless Wi-Fi connectivity, Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth, which lets you transfer your photos directly to compatible devices without any physical connection. Insta360 Ace Pro's Bluetooth connectivity feature comes handy for connecting other devices that supports it. One other feature that we like is the ability to use our smartphone as a remote to control our Ace Pro. You can change camera settings, release shutter, view LCD screen, and transfer files using remote control app. Insta360 Ace Pro has a USB-C port to connect your camera to other devices. Editing is a breeze with the Insta360 app. Use intuitive tools to reframe, add effects, and share your videos instantly on social media. Plus, AI-powered features like auto-frame and smart track ensure every moment shines. The Insta360 Ace Pro is designed for versatility. Pair it with a wide range of accessories to unlock even more creative possibilities, from action mounts to underwater housings. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting your journey, the Insta360 Ace Pro is your ultimate companion for capturing memories, telling stories, and inspiring the world.